Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the garage. Doing two more upgrades to the toy box and our toy hauler. Let's just say they're gonna be needed. So a little backstory on this. We just traded in our Raptor and we got a Forest River Vengeance. I'm back in the toy box. And this Vengeance is the 388 V16. Check out some of my other videos. I have a full walk around on it. But one of the reasons we were drawn to it, or what we needed, and what it always stopped us from getting any other toy hauler than we had previously, was we needed a large box. And this is the first fifth wheel on the market toy hauler with a 16-foot box. We have a very, very long side-by-side. It's a four-seater, and we need the extra room. We had a Raptor. It was a travel trailer toy hauler, so it was completely open, no walls, and we used every bit of the 16 feet in it. So when we saw this come out on the market, came out in September of last year, 2018, we knew it was perfect. We knew it was what we wanted. One of the things we absolutely loved about the Raptor when we traded is, one, it had a full 16-foot carpet that we could roll out, and it would cover the toy hauler area completely. And the other one was, on the Raptor, it had dual bunks instead of having the lower dinette slash seating and an upper bunk, and both of those bunks had very thick mattresses, like 5 or 6 inch mattresses. When we looked at this, we noticed right away all they put on here is a very thin foam, maybe 2-inch foam pad. I won't even call it a mattress. We do have friends that stay with us, so we knew we'd want to upgrade that, and that's where Mattress Insider comes in. So we looked around for a while, and we knew we wanted a mattress. We had seen some other videos guys had done, and pretty much when we looked around, Mattress Insider was not only the only company that really did custom mattresses, but they were the only ones that did custom mattresses geared directly towards RVs. One of the things also in the Vengeance is in our Raptor, there was about 12 inches on the end of each bed where there was a board and the mattress stopped at 80 inches. So it was 80 inches, 60 by 80 in the Raptor. They gave you like a shelf you could put stuff. In the Vengeance, they take that 10 inches and they put a full pad on there, so you have 90 inches by 60 inches deep. Guess what? They don't make a mattress that's 90 by 60 unless you custom order it. And that's what we did. We went to Mattress Insider. We called. We talked to them. They were able to make us a mattress to our specifications, 60 by 90. And we're excited. We're going to unbox it. We're going to see what we got. So we'll cut it open. Now, they did tell me on the phone they would compress these mattresses, and it's going to probably take 24 to 48 hours once it's opened up to come up to full size. So as you can see, it is compressed in here. And something else I want to cover real quick. Mattress Insider did not send us this for free. I 100% paid for it. I just wanted to give an honest video on what you can do if you want to upgrade your mattress in your RV, where to go. I thought it was pretty reasonable, the price. It was like $380, and then I had a coupon, and it was free shipping. So I'll tell you exactly what it came out to. I don't have the receipt in front of me, but this will be an honest review of the mattress. So here it is, out of the box. And something I want to point out is they do use 100% organic cotton. And also something else, I got a paper here, and I did not know this, so I'm going to check it out, but they do actually sell linens and pad covers for odd size mattresses on Mattress Insider. It's actually right here under bedding and linens. So I will be checking that out. You will get a 5% off coupon on any future purchase. This will be inside the box along with instructions that talks about how to cut it open, and that it's going to take some time to reach its actual size. So first impressions when unboxing it is the top pad is super soft, and then I really like, and I didn't know they were going to do this, but they've actually put a extremely rigid backing on the mattress. Again, specifically designed for the RV industry. And this is a 5.5-inch pad mattress feels really good. Let's get it up on the bed. So super excited. Mattress fits perfect. It still has a little bit of expansion, but fits perfect. We'll let it rest out, but it looks awesome. So our plan is that when we're not using the beds for people to sleep in, the original OEM foam pad, I will call it, we're going to put on top of the mattress, and then we'll put it up and store it up there. When people stay, we'll bring it down. We're going to leave this mattress up top for people to stay on, and then we're going to make this out into the bed, and we'll take this pad here and we're going to put it on top of that, which is also 60 by 90 wide. And hopefully by putting this pad on top, along with the thickness of the foam cushion on the actual seat, it will make for a comfortable bed. We haven't tried it yet, obviously, but it would also help to remove some of these bumps that you would have to be sleeping on, and it'll give you a nice smooth surface on the bottom. And that'll give us our top bunk and our bottom bunk. Fits perfect in the stored up position. Actually rests right against the ceiling, which is exactly what we want. And then inside the mattresses, between the what I'm going to call the pad from the factory and our mattress, is the ladder that comes down to get in. So we actually have it stored, sandwiched in between them, so whenever you're transporting, there's no chance for it to slide around. Now, I never thought in a million years that it would be hard to get a piece of carpet for in this toy box. We went to the dealer, we tried to order something from Forest River. The problem is all of the toy boxes that are made, again, are 13 feet or 12 feet. So when they make their rugs, they make them to 10 feet, and most of the rugs stop right here where the trailer starts to what they call beaver tail down. So the problem here is that distance is 14 feet. Then you add in another foot out to the door, and then past the door, there's actually another foot going out, which gives you your 16 feet. So we needed at least a 15-foot rug. And I never thought that it would be a problem to get a 15-foot rug. But the issue comes in with this. Most rugs are sold at 12 feet wide, and then they pull them out and they cut them to length of the room, and then once it's to the length of the room, they'll seam another piece in. Well, our intention is to roll this piece of carpet up, and then we either place it in the center, rolled up just like this, and drive our four-wheeler up over top of it, which gives us even more room, or we can place it on the side. Another nice feature is you can always take this carpet out if you're having a party and it's a muddy area. You could set up a table here, have food set up, people come in and out, and you can roll up the carpet and it's not getting muddy, but when someone wants to stay at night, take their shoes off, you can roll out the carpet, and it's a nice place to change, relax, hang out. So we didn't want to have to seam a carpet at 12 feet. We went everywhere we could. We actually ended up going to Home Depot, talked to a salesperson, and I'll put the information down in the description, but he actually found a roll that they sell at 15 feet, which was perfect for us. So we ended up ordering from Home Depot a 15-foot long section by 8. We had them send it out and seam it, so it is seamed. It did come in, and here it is. So we're going to open it up, we're going to lay it out, and we're going to show you what it looks like. Here it is, starting to roll it out. Now, like I said, we did have it seamed, and we did get almost like a backless carpet. It's very flexible. And again, in the description, I'll send the link to which carpet it was. And then Home Depot actually sends it out, and they have this seamed edge put on. They actually turn into what they call an area rug. And then it shipped to us, and we ordered it maybe a week and a half ago. And it was here, and like we went with this color because obviously you can see it's a little bit lighter than the floor, but the coach, everything in the coach is a light gray. It's kind of hard to see here, but it's all light gray. And we thought that rug would match the best and also hide dirt the best should it get dirty. So let's roll it out and see what it looks like. Well, there it is rolled out. I couldn't be happier. I told them I wanted a little bit of edge on each side just in case, and they gave about an inch and a half on probably each side. Looks great. It'll come down pretty much right to where the rear door is. Now the carpet actually will have to lay flat. Obviously it's going to take a couple days for it to do that. The only issue I see or concern, I don't think it's going to be a big deal, is when we flip our steps up in, it's probably going to pull the carpet up with it. Like this. The steps come to about there. But then when you put the steps back down, it'll flop them back down. So, not a huge deal. All in all, extremely happy. So here it is from this side. Again, it still needs to lay flat. If you like what you see, hit subscribe. We have a bunch of other videos coming. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, thanks for stopping at the garage.